What's going on, everybody? Doug Lane, Fast Lane Car Care. Today I want to take a couple minutes and show you how to do an LED conversion on 2018 4Runner. I believe it's 14 through 18 are the model years covered. Pretty simple. I'm sure it's probably really simple on any of the 4Runners, but just check this out. So the reason why I'm going to do this is honestly, one, just to see how it goes as far as the light output. Secondly, I guess I have a little bit of an obsession with LEDs. I like to put LEDs in everything except for my headlights, and that's because I don't think they're DOT approved yet, and insurance companies don't like that sort of thing as far as aftermarket LEDs. So I'm going to show you the light output. Right now I've got the parking brake set. It's in reverse. It's not running, obviously. And this is what kind of light output you're looking at. So it's kind of bright, I guess. Sort of dim. And I'm going to set the camera up, come back, turn all this stuff off so I'm not getting burnt, because incandescent lights get hot very quickly, and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm using these Sylvania LEDs. In this case it's a 921 bulb, and right here is where your panel is going to be. You can see there's a little spot for a tool right there. You could use a screwdriver, however I would not recommend it, as you are very likely to mar the plastic, so I'm going to use this plastic panel remover. They're super cheap. There you go, just like that. So then it's a matter of determining which one is which, if you look at the light out here, the top one's turn signal, the middle one is brake, which is LEDs. So this one here is going to be your turn, or your reverse light. So pull that out. Ta-da! So you can look, see it's the right connector. So now it's a matter of opening this. These LEDs, I picked them up at the local auto parts store. They were $19.99, so add tax to that. You're looking at around 20 bucks. Snap it in. There we go. Line tabs up. There you go. That's simple. So now we come back here to the front. Parking brake still set. Turn it on. Put it in reverse. And it doesn't work. That's why you check it before you go putting stuff away. LEDs on different polarities. So there you go. Switch it around. No big deal. So there's your light. Really, honestly, it doesn't look that much brighter in terms of actual output. So I'll just wait until dark and see if it looks any different in the backup camera. If not, you can always wire up a small light pod or whatever underneath the vehicle, wire it to the reverse lights. I don't think that I'll do that, just because honestly it's with the backup camera, it's not really that big of a deal. But if I do, I'll definitely make a video about it and show you how to do it. Hope you liked my 5-minute video on how to swap out your LEDs. Probably one of the easiest things you can do, switching around light bulbs as far as backups. Some vehicles make it difficult, especially headlights, you know, the way they put different like air filters and things like that in the way. Or depending on what kind of vehicle you have, the rears can be especially difficult. But yeah, as far as the 4Runner goes, everything light-wise is pretty easy to get to. I'm super happy with it so far. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, share, subscribe, whatever platform you're watching it on. Let me know what you think about it in the video, in the comments. If you'd like to see any more of these types of videos, I've got a couple other kind of how-to that are pretty simple. I've got a couple more that are in the works I'm planning on doing. And thanks.